this was not a smart decision to order something that has 300 pieces that Kim has to put together.
Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. If you are new here, my name is Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎, and I do videos pertaining to home life. So that's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, repairs, and projects. And in today's video, we're going to do a project. There's nothing like adding some little pieces into your space to elevate it. And in this case, we're putting together a vanity for my youngest daughter. Now let's talk about this said vanity. This vanity was not cross-checked with the boss being me, because I'm the one who always puts things together in the home, and it's over 300 pieces. As soon as I realized how many pieces were on this vanity, I was like, you know what? It's gonna take me an entire week to put this together because I already know I'm gonna get frustrated. Let's be real. And I will say, after it's all over said and done with, because when I'm editing this, obviously it's over said and done with, it was not as bad as I thought it would be. However, there were 3 steps that were backwards, and we had to pull up YouTube to try to figure it out. So the first thing I'm doing here is taking everything up out the box, and I'm trying to put like items together, because at this point, I'm not even thinking about the numbering system that are on the items.
But I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they go slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is tonight. In the name of love. In the name of love.
So we're finally to the point where everything has been unboxed. So now I'm putting everything together by number. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments, what you've been watching, what you've been reading, what you've been doing. Let me tell you something. We just had a snowstorm here in Central Ohio. And in Central Ohio, we do not get a lot of snow. We're not on the lake like Cleveland or anything like that. So we got 16 inches altogether. However, in my area, I think we only had like 10 inches. I've never seen this amount of snow in Central Ohio in my life. And your girl 47, okay? We have a leveling system in my county where it goes by level 1, level 2, level 3. We've never had a level 3 in my county in my 47 years of living. But guess what? There's a level 3 snow emergency right now, meaning you cannot be on the road unless you're emergency personnel or you're a first responder, which is the same thing as emergency personnel, Kim, or like people who work for the news, hospitals, that sort of thing. Here are all of the pieces in order and laid out. The great thing about this vanity is it did come with the tools that you need to put it together. And I am going to, after I put my socks on, I'm going to put all of that stuff together. That is labeled by letters from A to Z, I believe. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you're the type of person that has to have things in order, just like the numbering system. I have it from 1 to 20, whatever number it was, and then the letters from A to Z. When things are in order, things are better for me. It's really funny to learn different things about yourself. One thing that I learned about myself, I want to say last year, is as much as structure gets on my nerves, your girl needs it in her life, especially at a job or when you're putting things together at home. I definitely need a process. When I don't have a process, I get very bored. When I think of boredom, I think of an idle mind, and you know what the Bible says about an idle mind. Therefore, your girl don't want to be bored, okay? I'm about to have a proud moment right here. I was able to get the screw into the drawer piece with no issues, and it was on tight. So my husband and I were high-fiving each other. In my book, that's a win, and I'm all about celebrating every single milestone, every single win, big or small, and you should do the same. Right now I'm looking at these drawer wheels, which I'm so thankful that my daughter, she put Post-it notes on them to let me know the difference between them, because it's so interesting how you need different wheels for different panels. You would think that they would all be the same, but they're not. But you know, who am I? I'm just trying to put this thing together, okay? And this is the part where everything was on backwards and I was trying to like finagle it and figure it out. I was reading it over and over and over again. And my husband was like, just pull up YouTube and see what YouTube says. And that's how we figured out that the directions were backwards. The level of frustration I had was team too much, okay? Because this took hours. The good thing about it is it was continuously snowing. We were snowed in, so it didn't really matter that it took hours, but I'm sure I could have found something else to do with my life, like, watch TV, because I love to binge watch shows. I recently watched this show on Netflix called His and Hers. If you have not seen it, there are so many different twists. And it's so funny because I can typically figure things out within like one episode, like, okay, this is going to happen. So I thought that I had it all figured out. And by the last episode, I was like, oh, that's not what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. Thought I had that figured out. And then at the very end, I was like, no, you didn't, girl. No, you didn't. I would definitely recommend it if you haven't seen it. 7 out of 10 for sure. So now I'm just grabbing all the pieces for the next step again, because your girl needs to work in order, and I read it over and over and over again just to make sure I do it correctly so I don't have to take anything apart and do it all over again, which I had to do with the drawers, but that's a whole nother story.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. All my melodies
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
For this topper portion, it has to be perfectly lined up in order for it to be pressed down all the way. So I was just making sure that we had everything properly lined up. There's like little wood pieces that you put in, and also there are screws that attach as well. So it just really kind of takes a little bit of muscle to do. I will say teamwork is the dream work, because again, if I would have had to do this by myself, it probably would have taken a week because I was so frustrated with the 3 different steps that were incorrect. The portion that my husband's currently working on has a mirror on the backside. So I was like, let's make sure we spread this blanket out over the bed. That way nothing will break. And then I would probably have had even more of heart failure going on, okay? So that is why this is laying on top of a blanket. Now this is my youngest daughter who the vanity belongs to. She came in to assist. She's actually putting stickers on top of the screws so that you can't see them. And then, you know, she had to bust out with some cheer moves. She's trying to teach her cheer team a new cheer. So she's just kind of doing her own thing. We're at the step where we're putting the lights in. So I'm pushing the lights toward my husband and he is putting the wires together so they're not in the way while we finish the rest of this vanity. You ain't know your girl was an electrician, did you? Not really, but something simple like this was easy to do. Right after this step, I turned my camera off because my husband went downstairs. He went outside with my oldest daughter. She was sweeping her car off. So he was shoveling the driveway for the third time that day. And then he went and got some food. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna put these drawers together. Well, it wasn't that simple because the directions were backwards. I didn't realize they were backwards. So I was upstairs huffing, puffing, cussing, all of the above. Okay, I love Jesus, but I cuss sometimes. It is what it is. And my youngest daughter overheard me. So she went downstairs and was like, Daddy, mommy up there having a heart attack. So he came upstairs. We pulled up a YouTube video, figured out everything was backwards, had to take the things off of the drawer that I had already put together. And then he put the drawers together so that Kim could come up out of that anger or whatever it is that I was dealing with and be a normal human. And now I'm just cleaning everything up. The finish line has arrived and now we have to hook the lights up to each other. Mind you, at the beginning, we only hooked the lights together. Now we're going to hook them up to each other and turn it on and see what it looks like. An observation that I literally just had while I'm editing this video is I think a lot of times YouTubers do not show you how hard things are to do when they're doing things. They show you all of the good, but I'm keeping it real with y'all and letting you know that this took hours. I was frustrated. I was annoyed. I was cussing. And at the end of the day, it all worked out because everything always works out in my favor. I told my youngest daughter, girl, you better cherish these things. You better take care of it. And the moment that you even act like you have an attitude with me, I'm going to throw it out the window. I really did tell her that though, for real. Here's what it's looking like. There are different levels of lighting that you can have. You can have the cool white, the brighter white, also the soft white. They blink, they flash, they do all kinds of things. This is really, really cute for her. I love it so much. And this is what it looks like in her room. She put her decor up on the shelves and then she put the chair together a few weeks ago because she got this for Christmas and we're just now putting it together. Here's what the inside of her drawers look like. Eventually I'm going to get her some little baskets. That way she can organize a little bit better. She's the organizer in the house, not me. So I'm gonna let her do it because this is hers. This is her identity. This is in her room. She needs to make it function for what she wants it for. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you. Please do not forget to hype the video up. Leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe if you have not already.